Again, this is Steam Engine 3415. We're back from Enterprise. We're back inside Abilene. They put used motor oil in it, and it burns it as fuel. So when they just put it in there, it blows some very thick black steam and smoke through the top. But I kind of missed that part. Actually moving. I'm so close. Look at this. Again, this is Steam Engine 3415. In Abilene, Kansas. Locomotive 3415, 100th birthday in Abilene, Kansas. And it's the 150th birthday of Abilene, Kansas. And yesterday was the 75th anniversary of D-Day over at the Eisenhower Presidential Library and Museum. There we go. There it goes. Yeah, there it is. Oh, man with the stop sign got on. So he stops the traffic. It has a real bell on the front end. A real bell. It looks like gold or brass. Shiny. There we go. Thank you for watching.